All right, guys. Good morning. Just a quick one. Gold is actually on all-time high. From what you can see, gold have reached 4,600 mark, and that's very surprising. The way gold is flying, it's just looking like a fully bullish pair. So most persons, what they just look at for is just the buys, the buys. They don't check for sell anymore, which is fine. But though there are times when you just have to stick with your strategy irrespective of what everybody is doing, even if everybody is buying. When your strategy is showing you obvious sell, you just have to just stick to it. That's what makes you a trader. So you don't just go with the crowd. You need to still have a say of yours for yourself, you understand? So um I actually promised that I will not be taking much trade in a day anymore. Try to limit my trade and also try to stop trading Asian section. Just stick to my London section or a New York section to maintain more discipline, because I know what indiscipline has cost me, and that's it. So unfortunately I didn't trade Asian section today, even though I saw the buys and everything. I saw the movement. I was awake, but I didn't take the trades. I was just maintaining my discipline. And then this morning I was on a buy this morning, London section, from this very position. So now look at this. I just mapped out my position. If you notice, this is the movement for the Asian section. There were lots of volatility in the Asian section. Naturally, when there's so much volatility in the Asian section, the way gold usually works is when there's much volatility in the Asian section, then you notice the London section and New York section, or London section alone, might just be like a consolidated market. Are you getting it? That's what I have actually noticed over time with gold. When you see so much volatility like this in the Asian section, then unfortunately the London section will not be the one to be going through the consolidation phase and all that. So but now look at this. I just have this zone marked out as a support zone, and this zone mapped out as a resistance zone. From this from 5 minute time frame, this observation is from 5 minute time frame. If you still go down to 1 minute time frame, you still see the very support level and the resistance level. Now this is another zone, a key zone mapped out from 1 minute time frame. So what I was expecting when I woke up this morning observing the market, I was expecting two things. It should come to this zone, like induce this support zone and give me a break on 1 minute to the upside, then I'll buy. Or it should come to this top zone, give me a break to the downside, and then I'll sell. But none of that happened. So 1 minute, I'm coming. So it didn't give me a break to the upside, and it didn't give me, it didn't come to induce this zone at all. You get, it didn't induce this zone. So what happened? Rather, it was moving upward, giving a break of structure to the upside on 1 minute time frame, showing this bullish movement to the upside. So when it got to this zone, I noticed it actually shows some sign of retracement, and it stopped at this very key zone here. Decided to come down to this up level that was marked on 1 minute and give a break to the downside. So if you notice, this is a break to the downside on 1 minute that I mapped out. This is a break to the downside, but that break to the downside stopped at a key level. This is a key level. So it just stopped at that key level and came back. I knew that there would be a retracement for an inducement. This is an inducement right here, giving a sell down to the downside. So that's why I'm taking this sell right now. I've taken, I think, one or two trades here. I had loss, I had win. So more like the consolidation is just trying to dribble me as well. So but this is my last trade for today. I'm on a sell right now. I want to sell to this inducement level before any other buy. So this is a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. I'm on it with just and just one position open. So I'm risking just $250 for this trade to make $500. So let's hope it goes through. I dropped it on my Telegram group and let's see the outcome. Cheers guys. So have an amazing week ahead and an amazing day. See you guys later. Okay.